As we start here tonight, dangerous storms are breaking out across a wide swath of the country from Oklahoma into Kansas on up into Minnesota. Severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado watches are up in at least 6 states tonight. In Oklahoma City, an ominous wall cloud appeared late this afternoon as all eyes turned to the threatening skies amid a flurry of warnings. Already, there have been a number of tornadoes that have touched down in Oklahoma, including this one we saw a bit earlier in Edmond. This has been a topsy-turvy weekend for a lot of people in the country's midsection, and this dangerous weather system is on the move. Tonight, the National Weather Service says more than 148 million people are at risk for severe weather from now into Tuesday. That's half the U.S. population. We watched as this all unfolded in Oklahoma just moments ago. Take a listen.
Road from Coffee Creek Road. Yeah, go left. Big time tornado coming down. Whoa. Stay on the street.
Yeah, look at that, folks. That's violent.
Violent tornado. Violent tornado off to the right.
Yep.
Big time debris cloud. There's a large structural debris back north of Luther.
It's going to be heading for Dobbs.
Right in front of us.
Dobbs Road and Harrow Road.
This is very dangerous. All right.
Baseball-sized hail that is approaching Dobbs Road, 1 mile south of Waterloo Road. You folks in the rural areas up there, this is a life-threatening, damaging tornado here. It is large and multi-vortex.
As they reported in Oklahoma a short while ago, our team is in place to cover it all, including NBC's Janet Shamlian in Oklahoma City, who spent some time herself taking shelter today. Janet?
Yeah, that's right, Lester. The power lines are still down from last night's storm, and here we go again. Conditions have gotten worse very quickly here. Just within the last hour, we've heard the tornado sirens multiple times, and as you indicated, for a while we were in the back of a Target store about 100 yards from where I'm standing with several dozen other people taking shelter. The pictures are very dramatic, and a lot of people watch this unfold live on the Weather Channel.
We got a tornado, guys.
We got a tornado?
We got a tornado on the ground right now. Oh, there's some large debris in the air right here. These are trees are right here. Here it comes. Holy smoke.
Heavy rains, whipping winds, and tornadoes pummeling the Central Plains.
Oh, a lightning bolt right down through it.
This one was on top of the Weather Channel's tornado hunt team.
We are almost right under the tornado at this point. We can hear the roar. It's right over us, but we can still see in contact with the ground farther off toward the northeast.
Across the region tonight, more than 30 million people are in the path of the storms. In Oklahoma City, 70-mile-an-hour winds took down block after block of power lines.
We have more storms coming in tonight. They're going to be severe, so we would like to get this up and make sure it's in place before another storm comes through.
2013 had been one of the quietest tornado seasons on record due to a cold spring. But that ended with last week's assault on Texas, where 6 people died in Granbury near Fort Worth.
We have one of our stronger upper air disturbances of the spring that has come in from the Pacific Northwest. It's pushed its way southeast, and now it's gathering up some of that Gulf of Mexico moisture. We have winds from the southeast that are moist and warm, winds from aloft from the southwest. So the turning of those winds allows the storms to develop rotation. We call them supercell thunderstorms, and those are the ones that produce lots of dangerous tornadoes.
By an early count, some 22 tornadoes Saturday, 19 in Kansas, 3 in Nebraska, all within 2 hours. Residents are aware tonight and Monday could be even worse.
I'll probably drive back close to Oklahoma City and just stay in that underground parking garage for a while. I just don't take chances with tornadoes.
And no one should, authorities say. A tornado also touched down in Wichita tonight, but no reports of injuries. There's a clearing now, but Lester, we're told the worst of this storm, the very worst, could be still to come tonight and into tomorrow. Back to you.
Janet Shamlian, hang in there. Thanks.